Welcome to the Game Plan Podcast, the show that helps you grow wealth, create passive income, and achieve your financial goals faster. I'm Damodar Mata, author, blogger, and financial advisor in Dubai. Today's Halloween-themed episode is about the beastly party the bulls had in October, scaring the hell out of bears. After a spooky September, major US indices came back with a vengeance, rising between 6 to 7% in October. The markets were buoyant on the prospects of additional stimulus treats from the Biden administration in the form of a $1.75 trillion social spending framework and a $1.2 trillion infrastructure package. The earnings season was also in full swing last week, with many companies, including the tech giants like Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft releasing their Q3 earnings. Although decades old, Google parent company Alphabet, Microsoft are still growing like startups. Microsoft reported a revenue of $45.3 billion with a 19% increase. Google reported a revenue of $65.12 billion versus the market estimate of $63.34 billion. Due to persisting supply chain bottlenecks and semiconductor shortages, Apple and Amazon's earnings were below market estimates. However, investors have seemed to look beyond the below-par earnings and continued their buying spree. Both Amazon and Apple's share prices were down on Thursday but started recovering on Friday. Europe. The party has spilled over Europe as well, as the Eurostock index rose by 0.77% and individual country indices were also up between 0.4 to 1.44%. China. Chinese investors remain haunted by the real estate debt default crisis and the regulatory clampdowns. A fresh set of regulations were announced targeting tech companies with more than 1 million users, mandating a security review before sharing user-related data outside China. Both the CSI 300 index and the Shanghai Composite Index lost around 1% last week. India. Despite positive global cues, Indian equities continued to slide for the second week in a row due to profit booking, high energy prices, and coal shortages. Both the Sensex and Nifty were down by 2.49% and 2.45%, ending the week at 59,306.93 and 17,671.65 respectively. Summary and outlook. The scariest monsters are the ones you don't see them coming. While the bulls are still partying, hoping to end the year on a high note, the following monsters are hiding in the closets, waiting to come out anytime. Starting with potential stagflation, a situation when economic growth is weak but inflation is high. High energy prices pushing the inflation higher. Rising interest rates further compounding inflation and draining liquidity. Last, high valuations and earnings expectations. Although the outlook for the year is still positive, you never know when a few or more monsters could jump out of the closet to scare the bulls away. Now is the best time to book profits, rebalance portfolios, and align investments to your risk appetite. This was Weekly Market Update as of 31st October 2021. Hope you found it useful. Tune in every week for news, views, and market moves. Subscribe on YouTube, Apple or Google Podcasts, or on your favorite podcast app. Also, wishing our Indian listeners a very happy Diwali. Until next week, stay safe and stay invested.